This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, our Pacific Area Message Encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: in Southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester; in Northern and Central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren; and in Southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly. The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. This is the National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System for Northwest Wyoming. The following counties and transmitters are covered by this test: Teton County by KW in 39, Yellowstone National Park by WNG 686 and WNG 667, Eastern Park County by WNG 563, Bighorn and Washakie counties by WNG 568, Carbon County of Montana by WNG 563, Park County of Montana by WNG 686. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. on each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver that is in good working order. We now return to our regular programming. In the upper
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the radio weather warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and flashes, watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties, and adjacent coastal waters. $50 knots. Wind waves 2. This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning alarm. During potentially hazardous weather situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test.
This is an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. The South Salt Lake PD is asking for the public's help. The first suspect is identified as Yaneli Murillo. She is 5 feet, 4 inches tall, weighing 110 pounds. She has black hair and black eyes. She was last seen wearing black jacket and purple or pink pants. The second suspect is identified as Maria Murillo. She is 5 feet, 4 inches tall. She has brown hair. The first child abduction victim is identified by police as Aaron Murillo. He is an infant. He has brown hair. He is 18 inches tall and weighs about 19 pounds. The second child abduction victim is identified by police as Oakley Murillo Becerra. She is 2 years old. She has black hair. She is 3 feet tall and weighs about 28 pounds. The third child abduction victim is identified by police as Rosa Becerra Murillo. She is 11 years old and was wearing jeans or dark pants and teal jacket with white balls on top of hood. She has brown hair. She is 4 feet, 11 inches tall and weighs about 84 pounds. The fourth child abduction victim is identified by police as Librado Becerra Murillo. He is 9 years old and was wearing black or dark pants and red t-shirt. He has brown hair. He is 5 feet, 1 inch tall and weighs about 95 pounds. The abduction happened at South Salt Lake. The suspect was driving a tan 2004 Ford Explorer with license plate 4R4K Viandora Gray 1999 Dodge Durango with license plate P005-23105. If you have any information, please call police at 801-940-6179 or simply dial 911.
Tonight, this is the National Weather Service office in Honolulu, Hawaii. The preceding signal is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's public warning system. This is only a test. Tests of this signal are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there's a threat of severe weather on the day of this test, it will be postponed to the next available fair weather day. For hazardous weather watches and warnings, the warning alarm tone will be activated for the following counties. In the KBA 99 listening area, Kauai, Honolulu, Maui, and Hawaii counties, and the WZ 2557 listening area, Kauai County, and the WWG 75 listening area, Maui and Hawaii counties, and in the WWG 27 listening area, Hawaii County. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to our regularly scheduled programming.